into law in June 2001. For this, and we will turn over to Her Excellency our Federation's check donation. Thank you very much, Madam President, and thank you very much.
Position of state your position. Do hereby solemnly swear that I shall faithfully discharge to the best of my ability that I will pursue its objectives and support its programs, and that I will impose its obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. All of you, congratulations. Recognition, engineering, accountancy, architecture, pharmacy, and physical. The task force identifies also for whatever economic challenge life will throw them. I want to bring grand names in international finance fell into disrepute. And finally, economic, keeping economic fundamentals strong and not losing focus. When my father, who was also very close to at that time, but of course in your 20 years, vision of providing support for the programs.
The advisor and the assistant to the president to join our own. Next group will be the Trade and Industry Committee and External Affairs Committee. Please get ready.